Welcome to the Enfotrace video installation guide. We're going to guide you through the easy process of installing the Enfotrace GPS system. First, I'm going to give you a basic overview of the components you'll have. We have the GPS unit, we have the I/O connector or in-out cable, we have the relay and socket, the OBD2 harness connector, and the power cable. Now it's time to find a suitable location for our GPS unit. Every vehicle is different, but in this vehicle, we're going to mount it right here on top of the instrument cluster. It's high up in the dash and it has a great target for the satellite to find. Depending upon your vehicle, you may want to mount it somewhere on this side of the dash, high up in the dash, or maybe towards the center. As long as it's high up and the satellite can find it easy, you should be good. But remember, it's important to mount the GPS unit facing up, with this side up, not the sticker side. The sticker side faces down. Now it's time to run our wiring. In order to wire this vehicle, we're going to have to remove this bezel and pull the instrument cluster back so that we have access to a good place to route the wires through. We're going to run our wires down through this side to make sure to put them in a location where they won't be pinched by the tilt of the steering wheel when it's tilted up or down. So now we're going to run our power cable. First, we're going to make sure that we get the power cable behind the cluster because it's actually going to come through the back side and up and over because we're mounting our unit on top of the cluster once it's reinstalled. But I'm going to put this fuse panel in the recess behind the cluster, and I'm going to route the power cable down through the dash and out the bottom. Now it's time to connect our I/O cable and our power cable. The red and green LED will begin to blink once the power cable is connected. They will blink for up to 15 minutes. When the GPS unit achieves a lock with the satellite, only the green light will flash.